cute would it be, guys, to also with this robe set, guys, to make a bonnet? So if you guys want to make a bonnet is nothing but a circle. So if you have longer hair, guys, then you need to make a bigger bonnet. If you have shorter hair, make a shorter circle. So you just fold it over, and depending on what size elastic you want to put in there, guys. So you take it and you fold it over. You guys see? And then you're just going to keep sewing it around, guys, in a circle. I felt this would be really cute to have a whole little cute pajama robe set and have a matching bonnet as well, guys. So if you guys see, I'm just taking, folding it over and sewing it going around in a circle, guys. And this is what we're going to pull the elastic through, guys. And all you need is a safety pin. I'm like, that would be so cute, the whole little set. So you guys can make the robes, the shorts, whatever for Christmas. And then you guys can have matching pajama sets with matching bonnets. Like my girlfriend, I take different pictures and I'll be sending them. She said, how many bonnets do you own? And I was like, oh, quite a bit. And she's like, wow, that is cool that you can actually make your own hair bonnets. I'm like, they're so easy to make, and even if you don't sew, guys, on a sewing machine, you can take it and use elastic thread and just sew it around in a circle and then pull it through by hand. You could do this also, guys, by hand. So I'm almost around, guys, and I'm gonna stop the video so I don't take up so much space, and I'll come back when I'm getting ready to show you guys the next step. I'm almost around. Alrighty, guys, I'll be right back. So when you're done making around, if you guys see, I left a little opening right here. So this is the opening that we're going to take the elastic through, guys. So now, you guys see, we got it all sewn around. And then next thing we do, we measure the elastic and see how tight we want it to be. And one thing I would say to you guys, don't make it too tight, because the last thing you want is anything on your head and have a headache. So you cut the elastic, guys, take this safety pin, Jeffrey, is that you? Boom, put it in, and that little slit opening that we left open, we just take this and we just keep rolling it through. And hold this side, guys, so that you don't wind up pulling it through. So guys, I'm just going to feed it all the way around. All the way around, guys. And once I get it all the way around, guys, to the other side, I'll come back. Because remember, guys, I am using my phone, and my phone don't have a whole bunch of memory, so I don't want to wind up not giving you guys the final step. So just keep pushing it around, and I'll be back, guys. Guys, so once you get it all the way around, it should look something like that. So now what I'm going to do is secure these two sides down.
Thank you.
And I just go over it a couple times with my sewing machine to secure it, and we're gonna cut, and you guys see, you just pull it back out. So the tighter the elastic, the tighter it's gonna be, and then you guys have your hair bonnet. So at night, you guys can have matching hair bonnets that match your whole robe set. And remember, if you want it bigger, guys, cut the circle bigger. So if you guys wear like a lot of bundles and stuff, and you have the big rollers and stuff, remember, make the circle bigger. And if you got shorter hair, make it smaller. So I'm going to get up and show you guys the full little setup. So you guys can make this stuff as Christmas gift. If you like, I don't know what to get somebody for Christmas, this would be very, very cute. A nice, cute little gift. So push all your hair in there, guys.
So nothing.
And
to be honest, it's empty.
see, you can have the whole little set.
Nobody to love.
You can have your robe,
I know you did.
your shorts underneath, and a matching head bonnet, guys. So thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.
He's been a big help.